Hello and welcome back. Today we have an unboxing and a basic review of the ACER XC-1660G-UW93. This is a new computer for 2021. It has the i5 and it has the 11th gen processor. It's 6 cores, 12 thread, and this one comes with 8 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz RAM. It has a 512 gigabyte SSD, which is an NvMe. It also has the 802.11 and it has the Wi-Fi 5, and it also has an old throwback to the DVD plus minus RW rewritable drive. I picked this one up off of Facebook. Really got a really good deal on it. I think list price is around $500. You can pick them up at Walmart and other locations that carry ACER brand, but I didn't pay anywhere near that. I think they didn't like it because it's a slim line, so it's only got a half bay for if you want to put in a graphics card. Then you're going to have to buy like a low profile, and then you're going to have to change the bracket out to be able to fit inside of this. It only has a 300 watt power supply, so pretty much anything that you buy, you're either going to have to swap out the power supply, which is going to be hard to do because it's one of the smaller ones and the thin ones. But I do believe it's possible. I think you can get up to like a 500, which would be, good for something like a GTX or, a lower card. This one does come with a keyboard and mouse, and it has slots inside for extra RAM. Like I said, it just comes with an 8 gigabyte. You'd want to upgrade that because that'll give you dual channel. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, like I said, it comes with a keyboard. The keyboard is very narrow. Not sure exactly. I guess they wanted to keep everything, real streamlined on your desktop and stuff. But it does come with a keyboard, and it also comes with the power and a mouse. Both of them, USB. And it also gives you a SATA cable. Okay, I guess if you want to add another hard drive. But I have opened it already, and it doesn't have a power supply for an extra hard drive. So you'll have to either take out the CD-ROM, or I guess you just won't have one. But like I said, this is the i5 11400 CPU, 6 core, 12 thread. If you turn around the I/O on the back, you have 2 HDMIs. The ones on the top, the USB, are just regular 2.0, and the ones on the bottom are 2.0, but the ones in the middle are the 3.1. You have a Ethernet, and then you have the audio. Like I said, the plates on the back for this, since it's a slim line, you will have to change out the plates on your graphics card if you do get one of those. But it's very lightweight. I have turned it on. I've set it up and everything. If you purchase one of these, purchase a new fan, because this one gets super loud, and it's ridiculously loud. I don't understand why they would go that direction. I've already ordered another one. I've got one that's silent from Cooler Master, but I've already purchased that. And it does have an M.2 slot, which is already filled with a 512 gigabyte NvMe and 1 stick of RAM, and you do get an extra PCIe slot at the bottom, and also a Gen 1. But that's pretty much for this. It appears the power button, and like I said, the front has the USB-C, and then USB 3.1, and then some more audio jacks and stuff like that. It's a nice little slim line, and if you can get it pretty cheap, then I would pick it up. But like I said, if you buy one and it's coming, automatically just go out and buy another fan, because you're not going to be happy with it. It sounds like a roaring engine. It's ridiculous for a unit this small. Anyway, that's my unboxing and review of the ACER XC-1660G-UW93. If you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, share and like, and I'll be back soon with something else. Thanks.